Hast thou no scar, no hidden scar on foot or side or head? I hear thee sung as mighty in the land. I hear them hail thy bright ascendant star. Hast thou no scar? Hast thou no? Yet I was wounded by the archers spent, leaned me against the tree to die and rent. By ravening east that compassed me I swooned. Hast thou no wound, no scar, yet has the Master shown a servant here, and pierced are the feet that follow me. But thine are home, can he have followed far? Who has no wound, nor scar.